I got my Ipsy bag. March. Yeah, March. Go. Let's talk about how cute is this. You can probably barely see it, but it says, "And off she went to change." How cute! And it has a little star, of course, with the Ipsy logo. So this month's Ipsy bag is about National Women's History Month. Last Friday, the 8th, I believe, it was International Women's Day. So it's a pretty cute concept. I really like it. And you can see that we got some very good goodies. I'm so excited about this one. It's the Wolfie bronzer and bronzer. This one right here. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark for me or what. We also got a coconut oil, cranberry butter. And we got this Skin Perfector powder from Pure Cosmetics. I didn't realize this was from Pure. I guess it's like a highlighter. It's a gold tone. Apparently, you put this over your foundation powder. We'll see if it works. We got also lipstick. And I am adaptable. Am I adaptable? From Real Hair. I have no idea how to say that brand, girl. But it's a beautiful blue toned red color. So I'm excited to try this baby out. Last but not least, we got City Limits from IBY Beauty. I really like IBY Beauty's highlighters. They're cute. I received a couple from my Ipsy Glam bags. I think their packaging is so adorable. Little mini here. Okay, that's a nice shade. So we're gonna get started with the eyes today. So we're gonna work with what we have. Okay? We get basically got 3 things here that we can use. So I'm gonna use the Morphe one as a transition. Let me just place like something on that. Girl. I almost dropped. Right there. Okay. I almost dropped it, girl. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Milani Retouch in the shade 04 medium. Did you just see me hit my face? Literally. I know this is gonna come out, girl. Yep, there we go. Oops. Just blend it in. Gonna cancel discoloration. It's gonna make a great base. I'll try to scoot you in a little. That color too bright, guys. Well, alright. That we're just gonna do one eye on camera so I don't bother you guys and get you all bored. So I'm gonna use the Morphe one as my transition color. There we go. Using a Wet n Wild brush. So how's your day going? How's your week? How's your weekly savings day. I don't know what you call it, the time saving, I don't know. How is that going for you? I'm gonna use this one better for the there we go, for the transition color. Oh, this is a very nice bronzer, guys. I like it. You know what? I mean, I'm already here, so I'm gonna go here underneath the eyelash. I don't even, you guys, I had such a freaking rough week that I can't even like talk. Just trying to make things happen, you know. Barely anything's happening. Nobody's watching my channel. Guess it's my own fault. Gotta give better content, you know. Now I'm gonna use like a more tapered brush so we can define a little bit more. So I know this is like late already and it's been going on for quite a while. What do y'all think about the Jordan Woods thing? Sometimes I think it's all fake. I mean, but you know what? Nowadays, there are barely any friends around, so what the hell knows? Guys, I'm gonna use the IBI. The color name is actually Headliner. What do y'all think? Do you think it's true? Do you think it's not true? Because I don't know what to think. I'm gonna use a detailer brush from Real Techniques. From the Real Techniques. Shit. Alright, so first off, it seems very creamy. Okay, it's a little, I'll take back the creamy part. I'm gonna try to use my finger. Never mind, it's not creamy, it's kind of chalky actually. Okay. It's very nice. I mean, it's okay. To give it a fair shot, I'm gonna use this again, and I'm gonna wet my brush with some water from Mary Badescu. Let's see how this performs. Oh, that's nice. So I'm gonna go back into the bronzer with an even smaller tapered brush. This is Morphe M149, so we can have a little bit more detailed work here. So I need like for you guys to talk with me, like let's make some combo, because as you can see I'm not much of a talker. I mean, I love like going out and meeting new people, but like when I'm in the camera it's kind of difficult. I'm still getting used to it. It's not easy. I just wish I could just like, when I'm not in front of the camera, like I imagine myself talking like about makeup, like making a YouTube video, and then when I go in and try to do it, I'm like, what do I talk about, girl? What? Ooh, that smells really good. Wow. It smells like vanilla cake. I'm gonna use the same brush, just the other side. And I put this on the middle of the eyelid. Ooh, honey, that is pretty. I'm gonna grab some with my finger. Very pretty, very soft. Okay, how the hell did I get whatever that is on my face? I'm also gonna grab some of that and put it in my inner corner right here. So alright, so I have the lashes and all that stuff done. I'm just gonna do a little bit of bronzing with this one right here. I'm going to be using a Luxie 606 precision brush. Let's go with a not too heavy hand because this is like, wasn't my sponsor. Very, very pretty. So instead of putting bronze blush on, I'm just gonna put the excess of this on the cheeks. And we're just going to do a little highlighting with this Pure Cosmetics on a Morphe Y14. It's very pretty. Very gold. Gold tone, baby. Which I really like. So this whole look I created it only with the Ipsy Cosmetics products of this month. I mean, the only thing that I didn't use for this was my foundation, concealer, eyelashes, and powder, and everything else I did. And for the grand finale, we are going to do the I Am Adaptable Real Her, I don't know how to say this. It's a beautiful bluish reddish blue tone red. Let's see how this comes out. Ooh, color is beautiful. Very, very matte. Wow, this might be my favorite new red, guys. Really, really liking this bronzy look. Super cute. And we're just gonna set the whole face with a little bit of this spray. Well, I really hope y'all, okay, don't come for me getting this freaking thing off my hair. I really hope that y'all enjoy this look right here. It's kind of really cute. I need to get my hair colored, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little look using only the Ipsy products plus my foundation, concealer, eyelashes, and powder, but everything else is from the Ipsy Glam bag from March 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe.